All right, YouTube. So we got a. It's fucking on, Ozzy. Yes, it's on. Everything's on. So we got this. What year is it? 2002 Trans Am, and we're gonna pass the camera to Ian and the mic and everything like that, so he can. He's gonna show you what's going down.
No editing. So we got this Pontiac, as Alonso said. Hood's off. We're gonna paint it separate. Sorry, the mic. We're gonna paint it separate over here because we got to do the stickers. See, got everything primered, sanded, nice taped up. We're gonna. This is going black. This is going jet black all the way across, and then you come back here. See, we got everything taped up already. We gotta do the final touches since we're in the booth finally. Get it ready for tomorrow, which is Thursday, July 24th, 24th, and this is then it'll be ready to paint. What victory red? Here's the hood over here. See, we're gonna tape this up with the fine line, nice and good. We're gonna do our base coat, and then we're gonna take the stickers off. We're gonna take our tape off and clear over it, so we don't have to take the stickers off or anything. It's real tedious, but you pay for what you get, and this guy wants it perfect, so we're gonna make it good for him. I can't even my.
All right, so we're gonna get y'all a time lapse of us taping everything up, and then yeah, so we're gonna tape it all up.
I'm ready.
Clip farmer back there, holy! But we're gonna tape it all up, and then catch y'all when we're done taping up. All right, so all this taped up, ready for paint and everything like that. I'm gonna give it one nice clean off, and then tape up that gas lid one good clean, and we're gonna start tomorrow morning, and I'll catch y'all then. So
Lamar Jackson.
hey yo,
Whoa, Diddy boy.
woo! Anyway, so doing the final touches, then we're gonna start spraying tomorrow morning. We got a little two-tone action going on. No Aussie.
All right. What do you want to say? All right, guys. We're just got done taping it up. We're cleaning it now. Ozzy, show the Pontiac, please. Thank you. And so now we're cleaning it, getting it ready for tomorrow morning. We're gonna clean it again before, just to make sure everything's nice and clean, and then it'll be ready to paint.
Good. Just go off what we just went off. We just got done. We just got done cleaning it.
Yep. And so now we're ready to paint it right now. 6:18. Yeah, we're painting it today.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
The JoJo incident.
What was the first show we're attending? Ah!
Yeah.
But anyway, so let's show them all the way around after it's fully cleaned and everything like that. You dig? So this part right here, it's going black. But anyway, so yeah, you see the business. Show them the business. Oz. Mhm. 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 After I paint this, I better get a lifetime supply of free alcohol beverages from MC's on my mama. Put the MC's logo right here. Appreciate it. Anyway, oh my blower. But yeah, we're gonna blow it off, and then I'm gonna catch y'all guys in the morning. So catch y'all later. Ian, post. All right, flip the camera and post it to Ozzy. Oh, fucking pitudo. Oh, shit. All right, so yeah, catch y'all guys tomorrow morning. Morning. All right, fellas. So it's about 9 o'clock, and well, it's closer to 10 now. But I'm gonna blow this off, wipe it down one more time, and then start spraying the black. So catch on a time lapse when we're spraying the black. All right, so the black part we're gonna spray had a dent in it, so I'm not gonna spray it anymore. So we're probably just gonna shoot the whole car red still, and then paint that another day. So it's annoying, but it's whatever. So catch y'all when we're basing. Alright, so you got one more coat for the front bumper, and then it's on the clear. So now 4 coats around the whole car. I gotta clear the whole thing. So let's get it. Alright, I'm gonna blow it off, and then get ready to tack it and everything like that. Then put some clear coat on it. So bring y'all through everything like that. But anyway, let's get it. We finished the O2 Pontiac. Started around like 10 o'clock. It's like 12 or something like that, probably. So probably it took me like 2 hours or so, but came out pretty good for how much you're paying. A nice little budget paint job, but came out pretty well. Yeah. Sorry about that, folks. My dad interrupted me. But anyway, so O2 Pontiac done. Next, it's gonna probably be like a 2-part series. This main car part, and then I still got to paint the spoiler, the mirrors, and the hood. Hood's gonna have some custom stuff. I do got to repaint some top part, but it is what it is. All part of the game. But came out pretty slick. Happy with the results. Gonna buff out real nice for our boys down at MC's. This is the MC mobile right here. If y'all don't know, let me give y'all a little 360 of the whole car. We got 4 coats of paint, 3 coats of clear. I mean, results speak for itself, fellas. But now it's time to go to lunch because I'm hungry and I don't know when the other parts of the video are gonna drop. Just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna drop them pretty soon though. It's gonna be the hood because I don't know what. After looking at the video film, I don't know what Ian was talking about on this hood. Cause sorry, shop's a little messy, but I have to take these stripes off, paint the hood red again, and then make some black stripes. So I don't know what he was talking about, painting over the stripes and everything like that. That dude's tripping. But then where is the spoilers over here? Spoiler is ready for paint, but I wasn't gonna be able to put it in there because I got to paint both the underside and top side. So it's already looking good. So appreciate everybody who's been watching the videos. Don't know how many subscribers we have now, but appreciate everyone who's been doing it. And catch you on the next video.